Hey everybody, welcome to my first tutorial and everyone's second favorite GIS, QGIS. When you load up ArcGIS Pro or something like that, you get a base map by default and you have a bunch to pick from. In QGIS, that is not quite the same. In QGIS, the first thing we have these XYZ tiles and we can open up like OpenStreetMap. And that's, pretty good if you want to work in in OpenStreetMap. It functions like OpenStreetMap should. We've also got this MapZen global terrain that we can use. Doesn't really look that great. I wouldn't use this for much on its own. But let's say we wanted some other, base maps. Well, maybe we want Google Maps. Let me show you how to load those here into QGIS. Very simple. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on plugins up here on the top, and we're going to say manage and install plugins. From here, we're going to search for Quick Map Services, and we're going to install that plugin. Should not take very long. Boom, downloaded. Great. We'll go ahead and click close here. So now we got these buttons up here. This button here, if you mouse over it, it says Quick Map Services. We have OSM Standard, which is the same OpenStreetMaps we were looking at before, which is great. Let's go ahead and get that out of here for now. What else did it give us by default? It gave us some NASA earthquake hazard distribution. That's kind of cool. Shows where the earthquakes are distributed, but unless you're curious about earthquakes, this is not really a great base map. And the other one that it gives us by default is, that was peak ground acceleration. The next one is frequency and distribution. So again, unless we're really trying to do earthquakes, not a great base map. How do we get more, you ask? Well, let's click this third button here, which opens up this search QMS on the right hand side. Let's just type in Google, for example. We'll let that search for a minute. And in here, we have Google Maps different rendering, Google Roads, Google Terrain, Terrain Hybrid. What happens if I open up this Google Maps? Let's go ahead and click the Add button there. Oh, now I have the Google Maps base map. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and toggle that one off for now. Let's just say I want Google's Terrain. Here we go. Now I have Google's Terrain. Much darker than the other one, but pretty cool. We've got tons of different base maps here that say Google in them. I encourage you to search throughout here to find some more base maps that you want, but I've always found that using the Google Maps here is a pretty good option. But yeah, feel free to just search around in QMS, find all sorts of different base maps in there, but that is how you load in additional base map layers into QGIS. If you have any comments, drop those down in the comments below. If you liked this video and were able to get Google Maps or something like that uploaded into your map, be sure to like the video. And if you got anything out of this video whatsoever, clicking subscribe is a nice, free, and easy way to support the channel. Thanks, and have a great day.